Hello everyone. Let me hope we are all doing well and great. So I'm Munye Scripts, and today we are going to be looking at how to create a thumbnail. So if you want to learn how to create a thumbnail for your video, okay, do not hesitate. Okay, do not do what? Do not hesitate. Even if you're meeting Photoshop for the first time, you're talking like the person taking you through is a professional, whereby I went to uh, a film school, then I studied a diploma in graphics designing, so I know what I'm talking about. And I usually go out and like practice it. Okay, so I live off doing content. Okay, so today we are going to be looking at how we create, okay, a thumbnail or any type of poster that you may be needing in Photoshop, and it like shows which software did create that. Okay, so the first things first. So what I'm going to be doing, I made this video. Okay, I made this video that is basically talking about Photoshop. Okay, I mean talking about drones. Okay, but after making this video that is actually talking about drones, its performance is not, I named it before buying drones. Watch this video carefully, purchase from 100, and so that is not working out. Okay, I like gave you people a lot of information about drones, but you're not purchasing. Then below it, I happened to share even the links. I took time, gathered this information, shared it because I've used the drones several times, but I like the video is not picking up. So what I have to do is to like create a better thumbnail and try to also improve the what, and also try to improve the titling. Okay, so if I try to go to Google and I try to like see what are the different people saying about drones, okay, beginner tips. So I typed in buying a drone. Okay, I left some space even there. Then I searched. So ultimate drone buying guide. Okay, then 5 things you need to know before buying a drone. So what I'm going to be doing is, then we have complete DJI drone buying guide for 2024. So because I have no any tool that is basically paid, I have this, but I'm not going to be using it. I want to see, and I come up with something, then I think I should reduce this before. Here is before buying. So I will name it something like, so I click here, go to the details. So I already clicked somewhere and went to the details. So I clicked it already and went to the details. So I want to have something like only guide to buy drones this year. Buying drones from so up to here. Then please subscribe to my channel. I want this. Then save this. So I get to my Photoshop. So what I did is, first of all, I would want to go and get a wonderful picture from Pixel. So I just click here on free download, and then I download the biggest quality. But before, you may ask yourself, how did I get here? So I remove this. So what you have to do to get to this, you click this icon, then you type in Google, you type in Pixel. So this is a free stock website that is basically providing images for free and videos for free. Okay, so if you get this website into your Google, you type it in, then you click enter. So you will see this. It may come on the first page, or it may come after some adverts, depending on at the time of searching. So after that, you click Pixel. Are you seeing now? So now you type in drone shots, drone photos, where you put in latest drones, just like that. Are you seeing? So you are given different drones, so far with the images they happen to have. Now your purpose is to look at them. Okay, look at those images that we have and come up with one that will best describe your project. So as you see, when I click in one, at least I have other images pop up like this one. So you could go for this one, or the other one that we showed up, or this one. So once you click in it, you just come here and click that, then you look for the what? For the greater resolution. You may be wanting something of totally low resolution, then you would go with this. But besides that, then after you click that, you click that download button, you're going to see, yes, here, as you saw it downloading. Let me repeat it here. So once I click download, I choose the quality I need. Once I click download, you're going to see an icon flowing into here. So it downloads, and once it is complete, it is like stored in the download. So I click this. Okay, when I click that, now after clicking that, I can download it from here. I mean, I can get it from here. So it has been downloaded, and this is it. So if I click view, then extra icing. So I've downloaded them, and before I made this video, I happened to download others. Okay, so you could find one of your choice. So why am I just checking time? I don't want to spend a lot of time talking, so I want us to make it practical. Okay, so after gathering the images that I basically need, now I go to my software. Then from the software, when I enter the software, I click that new. Here I click on file, then click on new. Okay, so the moment you click on new, we have this timeline. So we are going to be discussing about this, then we continue with our design. I wouldn't want this to continue or be more than these 8 minutes. So let us call this part 1, okay, of learning how to create a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so when we come here, this is where we are going to pick up from in our part 2 on how to create a wonderful YouTube thumbnail, because that is the thumbnail I want now to put on this video. Okay, so far this is the thumbnail it has, but it is not performing to my expectations, because I was expecting this video to like give me some more audience. Because if I come here, what I'm basically seeing is, look at its performance. It has 41 views, this is the estimation of the earnings that have been made. So if we go down and try to look at, this is how much advertisers are paying. Let me go back here, and this is how much I'm getting per thousand. This, now look at this. Okay, so this is like I want to like improve this, so that is why I'm sharing this video. Okay, because there is greater information. The video information is basically okay. Yes, it is long, but it is basically and totally okay. Okay, so now I want to like improve its performance. So thank you for watching. Let us meet in part 2 of this video.